Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is a monthly reading for Capricorn or Makar Rashi, Sun Moon Rising for the month of August 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Capricorn or Makar Rashi for the month of August. So Capricorn, I see you guys working hard. I see you guys trying to develop yourself, trying to improve your skills, your overall skills in your life. And I also see you guys trying to learn something as you go along. Now the energy that is there along with it, the energy that surrounds you is the justice. So there is a sense of balance here. There is a sense of fairness here. You will reap the rewards of how much work you put in. So as you put in more and more of your efforts, more and more of your time and energy into this will lead you to have good results. But remember, there is the justice card, there is an element of balance here. So the more you put in your hard work, the more rewards you will reap. Now let's look into the other energies for this month. Now when it comes to your career and finances, you get the Hermit, so you need to do a little bit of introspection. You need to do a little bit of deep diving. You need to understand a lot of things. Like the universe is kind of asking you to look inside you and figure out what you want in your career and finances. Some of you might be willing to, you might be feeling that you need some time off from your whole career and finance aspect. So some of you might be willing, you might be, seeking some sort of isolation from all of this hustle and bustle, daily hustle and bustle. So yeah, definitely some of you need to go deep inside yourself and figure out a lot of things when it comes to your career and finances. When it comes to your love and relationships, I see you in your power. I see you being very much in control of, the aspects of your romance and aspects of your relationships. If you are married, I see you doing quite well. You are able to direct your marriage in the way you want it to go, and this will obviously smooth things a lot. And when it comes to your health, mentally doing very well. Physically also, I won't say like there is any issues as of like major issues as of such, but mentally I see you doing very well. Like good energies overall, health wise, good energies. Now the other energies that is there is that there is a person involved here. There is someone in your life whom you might feel connected towards, whom you might feel is the true self. Someone might be coming your way as well for some of you, and this like this person that is coming towards you, you will feel a very soulmate kind of energy with this person. Also for some of you, there could be a choice involved. The universe is providing you with a choice, an option to choose from, and this choice is going to play a pivotal role in your entire month. So be mindful of that. Whatever options or choices are coming your way this month, and choose wisely. Now the other energies that is there, I see you being displeased with something didn't go according to your plan, and you are planning to move away from it. At least the thought of moving away from it, leaving things behind, has crossed your mind or will cross your mind in this coming month. And I see you finally moving away from something like this could be a relationship for some of you, because it didn't turn out as you thought it would, and you have finally decided to walk away from it. With a heavy heart, the walk away from this relationship won't be easy. It will take it's not easy walking away from something, right? But sometimes the drive and the will and the energies, the vibes are so strong that no matter how hard it is to walk away from something, you will still choose to walk away from it because of all that you have had to go through. And I see you doing exactly that this month. And I also see you, since like you are working quite hard in this month, there is a lot of effort that you have given into something. The universe is kind of asking you to take a moment to appreciate and acknowledge all that you have achieved, all that you have gained through your hard work. Because sometimes we keep on working hard and working and we don't appreciate whatever like we have achieved, how much we have achieved. This is also a sign for you to push yourself just a little bit more, so that you can finally get the final reward of all the hard work that you have put. So yeah, good energies overall. And the thing that you should be focused upon this month is the Nine of Pentacles. So try to focus on self-care, try to focus on yourself, have some me time, have your own space. Try to create some time off for your own self, so that you can heal, so that you can enjoy life as a whole. And this is what basically the universe is suggesting, to take some time off and focus on yourself, actually, like overall. Also, like for some of you, this could also mean some sort of message might come your way, but this message that might come your way will also be very much related to your self-care and your self-improvement. So yeah, overall good energies for you, Capricorn. And let's now look at what oracle guidance or messages are coming for you this month. You get courage. Let me be open to courageously take the steps that are shown. So the universe is asking you to gain some courage, have some courage within yourself, and this courage you will need to take the steps in your life, to take the next steps in your life and progress further. So courage is all that you need in this month, Capricorn. And yeah, overall very good reading. I like it. Very balanced reading. And yeah, so that would be all for your reading this month, Capricorn. If the reading resonated with you and you like the reading, do like the video and leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.